Good morning, afternoon, evening, or night. My name is Ria and welcome to The Engineer in Me. In this video, we're going to be talking about what is STEM, what is engineering, and what does it mean to be an engineer. So let's get right into it. So first of all, what is STEM? STEM is an acronym and it stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Math. And it's basically a general term that groups those disciplines together, and it can refer to whether you're talking about a STEM academy school or STEM college majors or STEM classes that you're taking. So it's just a broad term to group those disciplines together. And recently they've been talking about making it STEAM and adding that A for arts so that they can incorporate more creativity and make that more relevant within science, technology, engineering, and math, so that you're allowing students to think about creative ways to apply themselves and projects and express them ways in a completely different way. So engineering is that third letter in the acronym, and it actually kind of combines all of them together. It's when you use science and math and technology and whatever resources you have around you to solve a problem or to fill a need. And so that actually has a lot of wide applications, and everybody does engineering in some way, whether or not they realize it. Like, for example, you're using a sticky note as a bookmark in a page. Like, sticky notes weren't obviously made for that, but that's using something you have and finding another use for it. That's another part of engineering. Or if you're using something similar to process engineering and actually like planning out and blocking out parts of your day in order to be the most efficient and to save time, to reduce waste. And of course, somebody who's an engineer by trade, whether you're a civil engineer and you're actually working with architecture, or you're mechanical engineering and you're working with robots and tools. Within engineering, there's so many different disciplines that are recognized across the world, and the four major disciplines are mechanical, electrical, chemical, and civil engineering. So mechanical engineering is using devices that produce and consume power. Chemical engineering deals with like chemical production, transformation of raw materials, and other use of chemicals more on like a element and molecular basis. So that's another one. And then there's civil engineering, I said, which is a lot about architecture and buildings and understanding the structures around us. Electrical engineering, which considers electrical equipment and large-scale electrical systems. And by combining different parts of those four major engineering disciplines, you can actually go into something else and find the personalized engineering type for you, such as nuclear engineering or petroleum engineering or computer engineering, architectural engineering. So many different types that you can go into, and so that's just how engineering really caters to all of us. And you actually go into engineering, there's so many different careers you can go into, and you can choose to specialize in something more mathematical or something on the less mathematical range, like engineering versus engineering technology. So you could work on something like research, or you can go on the opposite end of the spectrum and do distribution and sales. So while officially the United States government keeps track of only 17 different disciplines, there is actually so many more that we can recognize. And honestly, that's one of my favorite things about engineering. Like, you can be involved in completely different types of engineering while you're still in the same field, and you're still working with science, technology, and math in order to problem solve and learn more. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching wherever you are, whenever you are. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my Instagram page at The Engineer in Me. And feel free to comment down below with any video topics that you want me to cover. See you guys next time.